let's talk about all of the calendar tools in TrueCoach and how they'll save you tons of time. Things like copying and pasting workouts, dragging, dropping, and even creating programs from workouts on a calendar. Before we start, I'm going to click Truncate here at the top right to just trim down how much text is displayed on the calendar so that we have a little more real estate. And now you see each workout has a box in the upper left-hand corner that you can check to select it. You can select multiple workouts to take action on, which is why I love to use our keyboard shortcuts, like holding the Shift key to select many at once. Now that I have these workouts selected, I'm going to find the arrows icon on the first workout to drag the series to another date on the calendar. If you want to duplicate a workout, select it, then tap Command-C on your keyboard or the copy icon to copy it, and then click the paste icon on either another day on this calendar or on a program, maybe another client's calendar, and you'll see the workout pasted to that date. If you find yourself using copy and paste a lot, it might be a good idea to create a program with these workouts to save for later. You can do this by selecting the workouts, then clicking Create Program in the footer of the calendar. That way, you can save these workouts to a new program, and we'll review those in a few minutes. And to delete a workout, check the box, then hold the trash can icon at the bottom of your screen. Clicking the battery icon on any date will assign a rest day. You can assign instructions if you'd like, but rest days don't count towards a client's compliance rate, and they don't have to log into the app to complete it. Now, let's say this workout right here is an absolute masterpiece and you want to assign it to another client. This icon in the footer will let you do just that. Just choose which client and on what date the workout should be assigned, and let us take care of the rest. Now, to make sure the workout get assigned, I'm going to hit my favorite shortcut here using the J key on my keyboard to bring up the jumper tool. I can either type a client's name or click on their name to jump right to their calendar, and voila! You can see the workout that we just assigned to Jane on her calendar here. And not quite done yet. The sidebar on the left is where you'll manage everything else about your client. The chat icon pulls up direct messages to this client, complete with emojis, GIFs, and you can send any attachments you'd like. Below chat, I can set any goals for my client. They can see these on their end, but not edit them. Then we have our nutrition tracker. So you can write out general instructions for your client, upload files like meal plans or shopping lists, and then you can also assign specific caloric and macronutrient goals that clients can log on their end. We're in the process of exploring an integration with a food tracking app that might make this a little bit easier, but I won't have details on that for a little bit, but I'll keep you posted. Metrics crowd favorite. This allows you and your clients to track any measurements or movements over time. If you've been coaching for a while, you probably have an idea of what you'd like to measure here, so you can head right to the Metric Sets tab in the library that we skimmed over earlier to create and assign these groups of metrics for your clients. It's a great way to keep them engaged and helps you see exactly how they're progressing. Next up, you can write any limitations the client has. And then the Notes and Files section is one of my favorite sidebar tools because I can search through them and they're private to me. So I can upload any files here, flag dates on the calendar for events, or leave notes on a specific workout like we talked about from the dashboard. And then because this list sorts by date, I can also view any of those workouts I've left notes on if I need to change anything in this client's programming. Now the planning tool here is a great way to just keep track of training blocks and progressions. We'll also tag days so you remember what they're for. I can list out the equipment that my client has available here. And then another crowd favorite is workout history. So I can type any exercise here to search for metrics I have set up, as well as view any past workouts that included that exercise. We'll also link you right to those workouts so you can go back, see their results, any videos they've uploaded, just to get a little more context. And then finally, we have some client settings here down at the bottom. This is how you can change their client type, customize workout visibility and notifications, as well as edit personal information. The only setting they can't edit themselves is what type of client they are.